Hi there, my name is Angelique de Vries and I'm the president for Workday here in EMEA. And it would be my pleasure to happily invite you here to the Customer Innovation Lab here in Amsterdam. It's an area designed for you to talk about your business opportunity and how we can help from a Workday perspective to really be your sparring partner. So I would like to welcome you and hope to see you soon.
The objective of the Customer Innovation Lab is to take our customers through a journey, inspire them, make them feel welcome in this nice, cozy area where they can settle in, brainstorm together with our partners about business challenges and ambitions that they have and how Workday can address these. Now that everybody feels welcome, we kick off with an agenda that we've been preparing for them. We've been discussing challenges they have in finance and in HCM. And then here, they can really see the Workday solutions in action, addressing those business challenges that they have. Then they might think, nice, now I've seen all of this. What's the value that I get out of it? So here we have a couple of value drivers from the solution perspective, including customers and the value that they gain with using Workday. All of this to give them a great journey using this interactive digital table. So here, our digital whiteboard, we can have discussions with them around maybe the priority matrix on what they've been hearing all today. The impact, the urgency, is it high, is it low? They can vote on it so we can help them to determine the next steps in the roadmap that they're building. In a nutshell, the Customer Innovation Lab is here for you and your teams. Come here, feel welcome, get inspired, touch our products, have interactions with us, all to help you grow your journey on finance and HCM. Hope to see you soon.